guys, this is part 1,000 millionth infinitieth of our sleepover collection.
We're just kind of bored right now, so we're just doing weird things.
Yes,
Okay.
so we're gonna put slime in our balloons.
To make a squishy.
Yes. This is our creative way. So I'm pulling it apart so that it is very much open, and she's putting the slime in.
She's pretty buff. That's why she's doing it.
It's a lot of work.
Let's see if that's good. Okay. It's so weird.
That's so weird.
But
it's so satisfying.
Oh my goodness. Yes, please. I'll take it. I'll take it.
But we make two.
Fine. Put this in.
Take it.
We need more slime.
Okay. Then I'll have to open it up more.
Oh my. Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay. That's so cool. Okay, my turn.
This is a little bit deformed now. Okay.
Oh, I
But
didn't
it
get
is-
enough. I didn't get enough slime, but that's okay.
Here, you can take this one. Now we just tie the ends and it will be beautiful. It will.
I actually tied it. There's slime in the bit. There's slime in the thing. This is so much moves. Let me test yours and let me test mine.
Hold on, let me tie it.
Okay. This one's more squishy.
It is?
Yeah.
Which one do you want then?
That one.
Okay, good. Because I like this one. Look, if you squeeze it enough, you can see it. It's beautiful.
Now we have to clean it up because there's lots of slime around it.
Less slime, more squishy. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.